We're going to talk today a little bit about our Grovtec locking swivels. A lot of folks, they're used to using some of the newer push button styles, which is one of our major products, very popular item. But when you get back into the old-fashioned bolt guns, then we start using the old-fashioned locking swivels. Every once in a while I'll get a call on how to open and use a locking swivel. The old style had just a plunger where you had to just push the plunger, rotate the gate, and it would slide into the swivel stud. Our newer ones, actually they're called a locking swivel, because when you turn the sleeve down it free spins, and when it free spins it allows the safety factor of never being able to come undone and accidentally release your sling. So you just take the sleeve, unscrew the sleeve, you push the plunger on the sleeve, rotate the gate to expose the pin, and then you just simply slide it into your swivel stud, push the plunger again, rotate the gate till it fits into place, and now spin the sleeve until it goes all the way against the body and free spins. So it's an easy operation, but if you're not familiar with it, it can confuse you.